What is up, you guys? Today's video, we're going to be talking about CRM, Salesforce. So if you're new to this channel, this is Stonk Buddy. Stonk Buddy is pretty much everything that comes to stocks. I mean, we're all about investing, growing stocks, and getting better. Stonk Buddy is actually what I personally use to grow my portfolio. So you can see here on the month, right now, the market is just doing terrible. You can see here, let me zoom in for you guys here. If I can, here, you can see, I mean, the market is just like, it's terrible. You can see the stocks here on my right here. It's just been pretty bad this whole start of the year. But yet, if you look on the monthly, we are still up 4% this past month, right? So what is Stonk Buddy, right? So Stonk Buddy allows us to see, it's for the average person. We made this company from scratch to help out everybody, retail investors, right? So it's an AI-driven company that does all the hard work for you. So let me show you guys SalesForce and everything like that, so you guys can see. This is Stonk Buddy here on my side here. Let me show you here. And all you gotta do is go to stonkbuddy.com to access this stuff. And it gives you the opportunities when it comes to stocks. So CRM Salesforce is ranked 89 on it. That's why I want to make this video to talk to you guys about it, right? Because Salesforce, I bought it. I'm already up on it, and it's just been amazing. I bought this. I bought Now. I have a bunch of Nvidia. I bought a bunch of Now actually, and Oracle, HubSpot is also a really good one as well. All of these are like really great, but we're talking about Salesforce in this video, right? So Salesforce, you can see here that it shows you the intrinsic value. So the intrinsic value is like, what is it really worth? And it's trading below 21% with a 34% pullback here. It's rated 89 out of 100. I already got in close to this range here when it was like a very high buying rate, but it's still a huge buy rate. And what I love about Stonk Buddy is it shows you what the prediction is for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years as well, and when to be buying. You want to buy the stock at 221 or less to get a great deal. You want to buy stocks that are on sale, because at the end of the day, we're here to make money, right? I've grew my portfolio using this. We made this so everybody can understand and like get an insight and just have everything done for you. So you can literally plug in your portfolio here, or you can do screenshots. Let me show you guys really quick here. And what this whole website does really is that it does all the news, and we just launched, so we're making this better. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. We are super, like, we want to hear your feedback when it comes to this stuff. Salesforce is an amazing one. And what this AI does is that it gathers all the information, the news, the financials as well. Let me show you guys exactly why it suggests this. Because like, you can look at the income statements, right? And you can see that every year it's grown in revenue year after year. And look at that, 41 million and 7.4 billion in net profit. That is insane. So it gives you all of this stuff, and it gives you an AI breakdown of why it suggests that CRM is a huge buy at this opportunity score. And then what you do here is you can import your portfolio here, and you can do some screenshots here. You can just add your screenshots in here, or you can sync your broker, whatever you want to do. It's a read only, and it kind of shows you with the AI your health score, and it tells you which, it's kind of like autopilot in a sense where we have insider trading. We get to follow the insiders, get to follow AI portfolios, get to follow everybody, and just, this is all back tested history, and these have made within the last, what was it? Is it 3 years or 5 years? It just has a huge huge back testing, huge return, and it just shows you exactly what to be buying and selling. So check it out. Check out Stonk Buddy. You can check all this out. We have a community here. We have insider trading. We have earning reports. And yeah, I mean, anybody that's interested in Stonk Buddy, you get an automatic, this needs to be fixed. We're fixing this right now by today. So when you check out Stonk Buddy, anybody that leaves a comment here down below will get in the giveaway. So we're doing, every video we're going to be doing a giveaway, 1 lifetime membership. All you got to do is like this video, subscribe, and comment down below Stonk Buddy or a suggestion for the website if you check it out, and you're automatically entered into a lifetime membership of Stonk Buddy, right? So what I wanted to do is have this for free for you guys, so you can check out every day. You can check out 3 of these and see the opportunity scores. You don't have to pay anything. And if you want to get like really advanced, it's $35 a month, and you get to access your portfolio. The AI tells you exactly what it suggests for your portfolio and things like that. SalesForce is just an amazing company. And I have a ton on, you can see here, right? I'm already up 4%, 4.6%. I just got in recently. I mean, listen, compared to like the market, right? This is crazy. Look at this. And I'm already up 4%. That's just crazy. Like it's just been terrible, right? The market has been terrible with everything going on, yada, yada, but Stonk Buddy's still making money long term. And you want to be greedy when others are fearful in the market. That's why we added the fear and greed index, guys. You can see here the fear and greed index here on our right in front of me here, over here. You can see that right over here. 20, that's very low. It's an opportunity in the market for you guys to be buying right now when it's just, and on the insider trading, right? On the big moves, you can see a lot of big money starting to buy these stocks. So all these news outlets and all these people want to give you fear of a recession, things like this, everything, but they're low-key buying. And so this is why I made it for the public, for everybody to use. And yeah, check it out. I really think the SalesForce is just an amazing company. I could get more in depth in it if you want me to. This is just like a video introducing Stonk Buddy. If you guys have any feedback, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.